What's up guys? All good? My name is Joshua. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the brain training for dogs before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the brain training for dogs works. What is brain training for dogs? Brain training for dogs, aka brain training for dogs, is an online course for training your dogs to become more obedient. This course eliminates aggressive behavior and makes your pet more responsive to your commands through stimulation and instruction. This course also covers hyperactivity, impulse control, and excessive barking problems, among many others. It involves schooling your dog through a series of professionally crafted games for improving their obedience and behavior. Teaching dog to run. When dogs are bored, they tend to act out in common ways, ranging from anxiety to aggression. Brain training for dogs aims to keep your pet engaged with games, which also calms his mental and physical energy. I really hope this brain training for dogs review helps you. That was my intention when recording this video telling you about brain training for dogs book. So what is brain training for dogs PDF? Brain training for dogs is good. Yes. Adrian Faricelli Brain Training for Dogs is an e-book that teaches you the best techniques for correcting your dog's behavior, eliminating problematic behaviors such as assaulting, barking or chewing, and dramatically improving your dog's obedience. As I told you in this Brain Training for Dogs reviews, this method actually works and provides a significant improvement in dog behavior, developing a better bond and communication between you and your dog. In this Brain Training for Dogs customer reviews, I also gave some alerts about some other brain training for dogs review. Be very careful with the website you are going to buy Brain Training for Dogs Adrian Faricelli. So where to get brain training for dogs? In the official site in this description. If you intend to get your original Brain Training for Dogs download, make sure you buy it from the official Brain Training for Dogs website.